This is our family car, called Eagle. When the car arrives at the shop, you need to install the roll cage first. After installing it, tighten the screws with a hexagonal key. After tightening the screws, you can turn on the power. Turn on the power. Then press the switch. Then press the remote control switch. The car will start. The lights will come on when it starts. Let's take a look here. This is the gear shift button. This car has 3 gears. These are the volume buttons. This is our pedal. The pedals are adjustable. It can be adjusted according to the height of the child. After adjustment, insert this into it. This is the accelerator. Just lift this up. Then pan it. Adjust it to the right position. Then press it down. That's it, thanks.